YouTube's playback resolution quality is often set for auto quality, which is often at 480p resolution. However, 720p or 1080p is usually preferred for better video quality. To disable and turn off this annoying auto quality, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the three dots in the top right to see the quality with Auto 480p option. 2. Tap the blue button at the bottom of the screen. 3. In the Settings and Video Quality Preferences section, set the default quality from Auto to higher picture quality for every video you watch again. If you're concerned about data usage, set it to Auto when on mobile networks or data saver mode. 4. Set it to higher picture quality when connected to Wi-Fi. 5. If you find that your videos intermittently pause or show buffering to load the rest of the video, change it back to the auto setting in a moment. And that was it for today. If you found this information, make sure to subscribe.